Ever shared files with a friend using Bluetooth? It's a quick and easy way to send photos, music, or documents without needing any cables. Or maybe you've streamed your favorite show on Netflix, enjoying it on your TV, tablet, or smartphone. Guess what? You are using a computer network. These networks are all around us, making our digital lives seamless and connected. In simple terms, a computer network is like a group chat for devices. Just like you chat with friends in a group, devices communicate with each other in a network. It allows computers, smartphones, printers, and even gaming consoles to talk to each other and share information. This communication can happen through wired connections, like Ethernet cables, or wirelessly, like Wi-Fi. Think of it like a team sport. In a game, each player has a role and works together with the team to win. Each device on the network is a player, and the network itself is the playing field. The better they communicate, the more efficient the network. They work together to achieve a common goal, whether it's sharing files, accessing the internet, or playing games. This collaboration makes tasks faster and more efficient. So, whether you're sending an email, scrolling through social media, or playing an online game, you're relying on the power of computer networks. They are the backbone of our digital world, making everything we do online possible. Pretty cool, right? Cool. In today's digital age, computer networks are as essential as electricity and running water. They're the backbone of our modern world, connecting us to information, entertainment, and each other. Imagine a world without internet access, online banking, or even the ability to send a simple text message. That's life without computer networks. From businesses to schools to our own homes, networks enable us to communicate faster, share resources more efficiently, and access a wealth of information at our fingertips. They're the invisible threads that weave together our increasingly interconnected world. Let's start with the most common type of network you'll encounter, the local area network, or LAN. LANs are the backbone of most small to medium-sized networks, providing a reliable and efficient way to connect multiple devices within a confined area. Imagine a LAN like your home Wi-Fi network. It's a simple yet powerful system that allows all your devices to communicate with each other seamlessly. It connects all your devices, laptops, smartphones, smart TVs, within a limited area, like your house or office building. This connectivity ensures that you can easily share resources and information without needing to rely on external networks. LANs are privately owned and managed, meaning you have control over who connects to them and how they're used. This level of control is crucial for maintaining security and ensuring that only authorized devices can access the network. They're perfect for sharing files, printers, and internet connections among a small group of devices. This makes them ideal for both home and office environments, where collaboration and resource sharing are essential. So, the next time you're battling your roommate in an online game using your home Wi-Fi, remember that you're experiencing the magic of a LAN in action. This local network is what makes it possible for you to enjoy smooth, lag-free gaming sessions and efficient communication between your devices. Now, let's zoom out and talk about wide area networks, or WANs. Think of WANs as the internet's highways, connecting different LANs across cities, countries, or even continents. Unlike LANs, WANs aren't owned by a single entity. They're often a collection of different networks managed by various telecommunication companies and organizations. When you check your email, browse the web, or stream a movie online, you're using a WAN. It's the vast network of networks that enables global communication and data sharing. So, the next time you're video chatting with a friend across the globe, remember that you're harnessing the power of a WAN. Somewhere between a LAN and a WAN lies the Metropolitan Area Network, or MAN. Think of it like a citywide network connecting different locations within a metropolitan area. For example, a man might connect all the branches of a bank within a city, allowing them to share data and resources quickly and securely. Or it could be used to provide internet access to a specific geographic area. MANs offer faster speeds and greater coverage than LANs, making them suitable for organizations with multiple locations within a city. So, the next time you're using public Wi-Fi in a coffee shop, you might be tapping into a MAN. Let's get up close and personal with personal area networks, or PANs. These are the smallest type of network, connecting devices within a very limited range, typically around a single person. Think of your Bluetooth headphones connecting to your smartphone or your smartwatch syncing with your fitness tracker. These are all examples of PANs in action. PANs are all about convenience, allowing you to easily connect and share data between your personal devices without the need for wires or complex setups. Network Ninja. Other types you should know. While LANs, WANs, MANs, and PANs are the most common types of networks, there are a few others worth mentioning. Storage Area Networks, or SANs, are designed specifically for high-speed data storage and access, often used by large businesses and data centers. Campus Area Networks, or CANs, are larger than LANs, but smaller than MANs. They connect multiple buildings within a limited geographical area, like a university campus or corporate office park. Virtual Private Networks, or VPNs, create a secure connection over a public network, like the internet, allowing you to browse privately and securely, even on public Wi-Fi. Real-world connections. Examples of networks in action. Networks are the invisible threads that weave our digital lives together. By now, you're probably starting to realize just how pervasive computer networks are in our lives. They are the backbone of our daily interactions, from the simplest text message to complex data transfers. Let's look at some real-world examples to understand their impact better. Social media. When you like a friend's post on Facebook or share a funny video on Instagram, you're using a network to transmit that data across the globe. These platforms rely on vast networks to ensure your content reaches your friends and followers instantly, no matter where they are. Online gaming. Whether you're battling it out in Fortnite or collaborating with friends in Minecraft, online gaming relies heavily on networks to connect players in real time. These networks handle massive amounts of data to provide a seamless gaming experience, allowing players from different parts of the world to interact simultaneously. E-commerce. Every time you shop online, from ordering groceries to booking flights, you're using networks to transmit your payment information and receive confirmation of your purchase. These networks ensure that your transactions are secure and that your orders are processed efficiently. The list goes on and on, highlighting the indispensable role networks play in our modern world. From smart homes to telemedicine, networks are the foundation of our connected lives, enabling innovations and conveniences we often take for granted. The power of connection. Benefits of computer networks. The benefits of computer networks are numerous and far-reaching. Here are just a few key advantages. Enhanced communication. Networks allow us to communicate instantly and effortlessly with anyone, anywhere in the world. Increased productivity. By connecting employees and resources, networks can streamline workflows, improve collaboration, and boost overall productivity. Cost savings. Sharing resources like printers and internet connections can significantly reduce costs for businesses and individuals alike. Centralized data storage networks allow for centralized data storage, making it easier to manage, access, and protect important information. Stay connected, the future of networking. As technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, the future of networking promises even greater connectivity, speed, and innovation. From the rise of 5G and beyond to the emergence of the Internet of Things, or IoT, where everyday objects are connected to the Internet, networks will continue to transform the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Understanding the basics of computer networking is no longer a luxury, but a necessity in our increasingly digital age. So, stay curious, stay connected, and embrace the power of networks.